Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Super Duolingo free trial on iPhone or Android. First of all, what you have to do, the process is same on both Android and iPhone. So what you have to do is open the Duolingo app on your phone. So from here, what you have to do is click on the profile icon. As you can see, I have Super Duolingo trial right now. So I will click on the profile icon, which is on the bottom side of the screen. Click on it and you'll be able to see the gear icon on the top right side of your screen. Click on the gear icon and this page will open. Now, if you're subscribed to Super Duolingo, then you'll be able to see a new section called subscriptions. On the free version, this subscription page or the subscription option doesn't exist. So once you've subscribed, then you'll be able to see the subscription page. Click on the manage subscription button. Now, you'll be able to see two different options: change plan and cancel subscriptions. Now from here, obviously what you have to do is click on the cancel subscription button and it will ask you, why are you canceling Super Duolingo? So you can select any reason and click on continue and you'll be able to successfully opt out or cancel your free trial of Super Duolingo on Android or iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.